Hi! In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, access tab menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that location is off, but you can always turn it back on by choosing the same shortcut. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well, scroll down and tap on location section. After that, manage location of your device by clicking on this switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!